Hi, I'm Nicole Nichols.
I'm Bailey Smith.
This is our project. We decided to do the movie Split. The main character of the person is Kevin Wendell Crumb. He has 23 identities that can come out to the light like anytime or like whenever they choose. When they come out into the light, Kevin is in sleep mode, and he can stay that way for years or like months and won't recall a thing. A few of the characters displayed was Hedwig, who is a 9-year-old boy, Patricia, a motherly figure, Dennis, who also has OCD, Barry is a fashionista, Orwell is a historian, Jade has diabetes, and the Beast is like an animal, like a savage type of cannibal person towards the end.
Okay, and we diagnosed Kevin with this dissociative identity disorder, and DID is a personality disorder. It's defined by when your very personality is culturally deviant, and it causes you or others harm and interferes with your daily lifestyle. We diagnosed him with this disorder because he has separate identities, and he has more than two. He has 23 separate identities. These identities think differently, have different physical strengths, and act differently as well. Sometimes the two identities can coexist at the same time. Despite being the same person, the personalities are unaware of the thoughts the other personalities have.
The symptoms Kevin displays is the different IQs. One character, Hedwig, is a 9-year-old boy and doesn't have much intellect on ideas. Another character, Orwell, loves history and is very political. Barry knows a lot about fashion and only discusses the latest trends and draws his ideas on paper. Another one is physical strength. When Hedwig tries to open the door, the girls that were blocking the door, he couldn't push because he was weak. But when Dennis came into the light, he opens the door with ease and pushes them away. And also when the Beast arrives, he was able to pry open like a jail cell with the bars. Another one is actions. So again, Hedwig loves dancing. Patricia and Dennis are the main focal points besides the Beast in the movie, and they conjure up a plan to bring the Beast to life. And then Jade doesn't like how she's the only one that has diabetes, and it only shows a clip of her, but it's still one of the characters that they show in the movie.
And then, we said that this was a semi-accurate portrayal of dissociative identity disorder. It's common for people to have like 2, 3, 4, 5 multiple personalities, but 23 is kind of over the top. The characters Patricia and Dennis believed that if they believed hard enough, they could make the Beast become real with strength greater than anything combined and unnatural abilities that make him a literal beast. This doesn't seem possible because while some may be stronger than others, a savage animal is unlikely. And also it affects, like, it displays DID in a way that scares people because it's like, I don't know, it brings awareness to DID and it scares people.
And this is the end of our presentation.
That's all.